In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Discord guild tag and create Discord guilds without having access to the feature. So all you have to do, as you can see in here, you could click this and you could see the server settings. And when you click that, you couldn't see the join guild in here, as you can see, or make a guild. So that's why I just have to give you a server that will give you some guild tag. So make sure you copy this link. So once you have copied this link, you should click enter and just join Syncord YT. And once you are in here, you should just fill up some questions. Now once you are in here, you should find the name guilds. And as you can see in here, you could share a new guild in here, or you could join some guilds. And as you can see, you could join their guilds, whoever you want to join. And there are many guilds in here, and you could also find some servers in the internet, but this is where there are many guilds in here. As you can see, there are no ending guilds in here, and this server is updated. Now imagine that you have a Nitro or a premium subscription of Discord. Then you could click this and click server settings, and then you could see the create guild in here. For mine, I have no subscription in Discord, so that's why it didn't appear in here. So you just have to go to server subscriptions, and you should buy their subscription in Discord. And once that's done, you could find the create guild in here. So you just have to uh first, if you don't have any servers, you just have to make it. When you see this odd server, you should go there and create your server in here. So it depends on you on what you would choose, and that's it.